Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alright, we are from the group 5 and my name is Amelia Rosa and I'm as a moderator and my friends are Indah Yewanda and Nurul Wahida Rinjani. And in this video, we will present about the dasar-dasar komposisi fotografi. And the first slide will be presented by Indah Yewanda.
Okay, the next slide about definition of photographic composition. Photographic composition is a matter of placing the various objects captured in the photo frame. Whether or not the composition of a photo is good depends on the need of the photo itself. Composition can be made by adjusting the object to be photographed, or adjusting the angle and lens option for shooting object and cannot be adjusted. Okay, next slide about various photo composition. Number 1, photo composition rule of third. This is the most common composition, most often mentioned by people everywhere. In theory, we have two vertical lines and two horizontal lines of the same magnitude. Then we put an object on one of those objects. This rule of third composition must be known by all photographers. Number 2, photo composition pattern and repetition. Utilize similar and size shape to be used as photo composition. To take a composition like this, the object being photographed must have a large number. For example, we can photograph tiles, brick, and so on.
Okay, the next slide is about composition of photo framing. Photographer must be observant in seeing what objects are around that can be used as elements that can frame our photo objects. For example, you can frame objects by using trees, doors, and so on. So the model is in the frame before we take the photo. Next slide, it's about to continue various photo composition and 5 diagonal photo composition. Diagonal photo composition take advantage of the existing diagonal lines in the environment and then place the object on one of these lines. And 6, symmetry photo composition. In this composition, we image that in the middle of our frame there is a line that cuts between the left and right, or top and bottom. Furthermore, the object is placed in the middle so that on the left and right the results are the same, or parallel, or symmetrical, or balanced.
Alright, the last slide will be presented by me. That is about the continued various photo composition. Number 7 is asymmetric photo composition. In the asymmetric composition, we draw a straight line in the middle. Then the objects on the left and right have different proportions. And number 8 is photo composition fill the frame. We bring the camera closer to the objects being photographed so that the object will appear to meet the composition of our photo. This composition is usually done on macro photos, portraits, and food. And the last is number 9, dead centers photo composition. This photo composition is also known as selfish photo composition. This dead center composition gives more impact to the objects. We think that's all about our presentations. We will say sorry if there is any mistakes. And the last we say thank you and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.